Guys, welcome back to Coding. So all the lovely people here, we are back with one more new video. So guys, I hope you all are taking care and keep smiling and keep shining. So in today's lesson, what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about system components of operating system and also some of the system call. Like what do we mean by system call? What are different types of system call that we have in a operating system. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Already on my YouTube channel I posted content which is really useful for you, everything regarding Excel, networking, Java, C++, Python, HTML, CSS, and even short videos that are useful for your interview type question, top 100 code videos, and everything that will help you make your study better or understand the things better from the beginning till the end. Like everything you will be going to get on my channel. So do check out the playlist and different things that I have already described to you, and check out the videos on Thursdays and Sunday. So guys, if you are new to my channel, like the content I post, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the video and understand what do we mean by a system call, what are the different system components in operating system. Coming to the very first thing, that what we are going to discuss is we are going to discuss about the system component. So whenever we're talking about a system component, basically it will include like process, main memory, file management, secondary management, networking, and the command interpreter. Like everything that we use on an operating system, that will all included system components. Like whichever things that we are going to perform, whatever role that it takes, all falls under system components. So now coming to the very first thing that we have is the process management. Now what do we mean by process management? As we can see with the name, it's clear. Like anything that a process required, that is called as process management. So basically when I'm talking about process management, it means allocating the resources, creating and destroying the processes, and controlling the program. So basically what do you mean by process management? Whenever I want to allocate the resources, create and destroy some processes that are already been working on, or the processes that are required to work on, and how to control that desired program, that is called as the process management. The next thing that we have is the main memory management. Now coming to the main memory management, what do we mean by main memory management? The status of each and every location of main memory, how to allocate which space to allocate to how much of memory and which to deallocate the memory, everything that is controlled with the help of the main memory management. So basically these are just a overview of like what are the system components available and how we perform each and every component, and what does each and every component do. So basically what in a main memory it will do, it will check that how much will the C drive store, how much will the D drive store, and what could be the memory allocation at each and every place. Third, coming to the next, we have file management. Basically file management means creation and deletion of files, mapping the files onto secondary storage, creating and deleting directories, backup of element between main memory and secondary memory. Means everything that can be performed on a file. We already discussed we can create a file, we can delete a file, we can create directories also, and also we can delete directories. We can also maintain a backup of the file, and everything that is to be compared with the secondary memory and the main memory. Everything that is managed in the file is also under done file management system. Next, we have the secondary management system. Now, when I am talking about secondary management, what it is, retrieving the data. Second, free space management, like whatever the data things need to be free, it will be freed. Disk storage part is a central importance to computer system, freeing the space of the system, and also the disk scheduling. These all will be included under whenever I'm talking about a secondary management system. Like already in the previous video, what we have discussed about like what are the different type of operations that we perform on an operating services that are given to us. So based upon that things only, these things are created at the management. Now we will be having different topics on each and every type of these management in the upcoming videos. Next, we have networking. Now what is networking? Basically sharing resources and speed up computation. More than one CPU is connected. When networking will include different communication lines, topologies, types of network, physical media, communication protocol, routing algorithms, and everything. Like basically what will a networking involve? How do we share resources, what kind of topology is being used, what kind of physical media is being used, and what are the routing algorithms that are used so as to transfer our data from one system to the another system. So if you are not clear about what do we exactly mean by networking, and also want to go deep detail at every part of networking, do check out the playlist of networking. Everything detailed and clear is explained to you there already. And if you have any new doubts on any things that you want me to explain, do let me know in the comment section. I'll create video for you on that desired topics. The next thing that we have is the command interpreter system. So basically, what is a command interpreter system? It is basically the interface between the user and operating system. It could include some MS-DOS command, system program for operating system, kernel, first all command that are implemented in the command of interpreter. So like whenever you use a run command or you are using the command prompt, everything that is to be maintained over there, what is to be managed over there, which command to run accordingly, these are also some of the system component that an operating system provides. So basically the system components are process management, main memory management, file management, secondary management, networking, and command interpreter. We will be going to discuss each and everything of it in detail, like how each and every process management work, what is the new state, what is the ready state, everything in the upcoming video. So the next topic that we are going to discuss about is what do you mean by a system call and what different types of system call. So basically, what is a system call? A system call is an instruction that generates and interrupts that calls the operating system to gain control of the processor. Like whenever you call somebody, so what is your purpose? Either to give them a message or asking them to come over you, or you want to meet or anything important, then only you do a call. So basically that way system also does a call when it wants the operating system to gain the control of the processor. So basically we have different types of system call. That will be file management calls, inter-process communication, third is process management, then we have input output management, then we have information maintenance. So these are the 5 categories of system call that we have. These are the 5 categories of system call. Now coming to each and every call one by one. Number one, file management call. What does a file management call will include into it? Number one, it will create the file. Number two, delete, then open, then it will close, then we can read, write, we can get to know the status of that file, we can unlink the file, get file attribute, that is already set file attribute to set the file. So these are some of the calls that the system will perform when it is in the file management call. Second, we have the inter-process communication call. Now what is the inter-process communication call? When a create a message queue, second send that message, third receive message, fourth close the connection. So these are some of the inter-process communication call. Like it will create a message and it will send that desired message, receive the message, and when the everything is being completed, it will close that connection. Type of call that we have is the process management call. Now as similar to the file management call, this will also include the similar thing. It will create a process. Number two, terminate the process. Then it will wait, then end, a bot if it wants to move from between, like reduce, stop that process. Then it will load, execute, get attribute and set process attribute, and then it will allocate and free the memory. So these are some of the like basic things just from the word that you can understand, like what does the call actually mean. Before discussing about it, how it will work, we'll be discussing in the upcoming videos. In the upcoming lesson, you will be more clear that how these calls work. Next, we have input output devices. So basically, what is the input output device? It will do request device, release the device, read and write into a device, and also show the status of the device. Basically, how it will show the status of the device, like whether the device is working or it is not working, how much memory storage it has, everything that will be included into it. Last that we have is the information maintenance. Now what it will tell, get time and date, set the time and date, get system date, set the process, get the process. So these are some of the calls that are produced with the operating system and how the system calls it. Basically an instruction provided to the user so that it can interface with the operating system. I hope you must be clear about the different types of system calls that we have, and also the different types of system components that we have available in an operating system. So I'm really going very slowly with each and every topic so that to make you clear that what everything that is an operating system include. And if you are really a new beginner and don't understand these of this concept, because this is something no one will be teaching you in depth, so I just want you to get all the details. So guys, if you like the content that I post, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling and take care, and also share it as much as possible with your friend. Let's see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep